Next, it is advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Advisory jurisdiction. See, this comes under Article 143 of the Constitution. That means the President of India has the power to seek information or seek advice from the Supreme Court of India if any question arises on matter regarding public importance. Okay, if a question of law or fact arises for any public of a matter of public importance, or if any on disputes relating to any pre-constitutional treaty or agreements. Okay, so in these cases, the President of India has the right to seek advice of Supreme Court of India. I repeat once again, and this is called advisory jurisdiction. That means getting advice from the Supreme Court of India. Okay, that means the President of India has the power to seek advice from the Supreme Court of India under Article 143 of the Constitution. Okay, for a question of law or fact regarding a matter of public importance or disputes regarding any pre-constitutional treaty agreements. Okay, in that cases, President of India has the power to seek advice or a legal opinion from the Supreme Court of India. Okay, but in first cases, that is, if a question of law or fact regarding public importance, Supreme Court may give advice. It is optional. But regarding disputes of pre-constitutional treaty, Supreme Court must give advice. I repeat once again. On these two conditions, the President of India has the power to get legal opinion from the Supreme Court of India. It is regarding a matter of public importance or regarding a dispute arising because of any pre-constitutional treaty or agreements. Okay. In the first case, it is regarding public importance matter. Supreme Court may give. It is optional to the Supreme Court to give or not to give advice to the President of India. But in case of pre-constitutional treaty, then Supreme Court must give advice to the President of India. But however, in both the cases, that advice is not binding on the President of India. See, why means this is just to give an opinion or just to give a legal advice to the President of India only. This provision is made, and this advice is not binding on the President of India. Okay, so this is what we mean by advisory jurisdiction, comes under Article 143. See, this is a previous year question.